Do you want to receive your orders without any delivery problems on Etsy? In this video, I will show you how to add a delivery address on the Etsy app step by step so you can make sure your purchases are shipped to the correct location. Adding your address in advance makes checkout faster and helps avoid shipping issues when placing an order. So let's go to see how it works. First thing you have to do is to go to Etsy app. In this page here, you will go to above to this sign on profile, so you will click here. In this list you will find app settings. You will tap on app settings, then you will go to manage addresses, and here in manage addresses you will find here add a new address, and then you can fill here all your informations. The country, you can choose any country you want here. Full name, street address, apartment, city, province, postcode, and then we click on save to save your address. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.